Meron po tayo ditong,
Mommy, me
ayan o,
first.
mayroon po ditong,
First.
ako lang muna, kay, turuan ko kayo, okay? Turuan ko kayo, okay?
Oh, look fake.
Turuan ko kayo, mayroong
I know
mayroong
it.
pa plastic balloon po.
I know it.
Isa lang muna.
No, Mama, this is mine, the bottom.
Isa-isa lang. O, paano? Alam mo yan, CJ?
Give me some.
Kisha na, isa-isa lang.
Mommy, have yellow.
Yeah, isa-isa lang. Okay?
Mommy,
Bebe, hala ka. Hala, wana.
Mm.
Bebe. Isa-isa lang, Goy. Isa lang. Okay? Hello po. Ayan. Goy, we're gonna do it first. Then. Okay, look, mama muna. Look muna si mama, okay? Look muna kayo. Hindi nyo pa alam ito, okay? Hindi mo ito alam. You have to look, oh. Ayan mga kaibigan, meron tayong plastic balloon para... Ayan.
What is that?
I told you, just like that.
It's not plastic.
Okay? Oh. Ayan, ang plastic balloon nila mga kaibigan, oh. Isang ganito, oh. O, subukan natin to. Oh, wait lang, John. Wait lang kayo, ah. Ganyan mo na yan. Wait lang kayo. I-blow natin. Be-blow. Ma-blow na ba kaya to? Wait lang, John, kayo.
Oh, this is taking long.
Yeah. Oh, wait lang kayo. Look, sit down.
It's yucky. Wow!
May butas na kay hinawakan man. Sit down. Huwag mo hawakan muna kay mabutas yan.
Pop.
Butas at tulay.
Hey.
Parang may butas. Somewhere. Oh, wala na. Asan na yung butas di makita? Kasi si CG hinawakan.
Bam!
Ay, andito lang. Wait lang, John. Wait lang.
I want mine.
Okay. Butas na naman.
Give me it, please.
Okay. Kay CD dyan. Okay, wag mo butason. John. Wag mo buto. Awa na. Okay.
No more for CJ.
Wala na. No more. Oh, wala na. Okay, ngayon kay ate na ha. Ate Storm.
No, I want yellow.
Oh, you want yellow? Well, we have to finish this one. Kishana. We have to finish this one, okay?
Mama.
Okay, sita. Daddy, Kishana, we have to finish this one because this one is gonna, expire.
This is fine.
Yeah, this one expire, okay?
Dad, you want the green one? I don't want the green one. I want the...
Okay.
Mommy, I want yellow.
Okay, next is yellow. Okay?
This is not mine. That's for CJ.
Okay.
Whoa, okay.
Wait. Para may... Wait, CJ, ano muna? Pwede kang magtakla. Si, huwag mong punitin kay very ano yan. Very delicate. Ganito ba?
This is not mine. I want yellow right now.
Mabutas siya da.
Do you like it? Is it good?
No, you can do that. Like that. Sige. You do that. Like that. Huwag mong kagatin, Dodong. No, ay!
I did it. I did it, Mama.
Huwag mong kagatin kay malalabas ang hangin.
Mommy, I got it. I did it, Mama.
Okay, good. Kagat. Okay.
Mama, I want yellow right now.
CJ, what na?
Please give me a. I saw that.
Oh, okay. Okay, next. Asan yung ano?
No, Mom.
Okay, Ate's turn, CJ. Good, sit down. Sit down, please. Thank you.
May more. Mama.
It's okay.
Mama.
Okay, sit down. Sa mani mo, John. Oh, yan, you're red. Sit.
I want two colors.
Red.
I think two colors.
You only have to use one. One for now. One. Pick one color. Sige, pili ka.
Yellow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mama, and I put it in. It's not hard. It's hard.
I know.
Mama, reach me more.
That's why I have to do it. Una.
I want to do it too. Mama.
Okay. Hindi pa ito masyado kay CJ. Okay, CJ. Come on. Okay, be. Agoy muna. I'm gonna open.
Yeah.
Buksan natin. Hello po sa inyong lahat.
This is
Mayroon po ditong ano. O, sige ko. Ito na. Hala, nagano na. Ayun, mga kaibigan. O, sige. O, ilagay mo dito. You need help? Okay. Anuin natin. Saan yung cover mo, Dong? Cover. Where's your cover? Saan yung cover?
Mommy, that coming out.
Nahulog siguro yung cover ni CJ. Push.
Mama, buffalo.
Andun ang cover.
Hey.
Ay, hindi. Plastic yan yung ating. Okay, CJ. Give me your ano. Be.
Mommy.
Okay. Yun at dyan na ano to. Ako nang muna, ha? Mag-blow ka lang. You blow the ano. Wait.
Mama, it's not coming. Mama.
Okay, CJ. Blow.
I taste it.
You're not gonna eat it. Okay, you just have to blow. Okay, blow, CJ. Blow, CJ. Blow. Oops, nahulog. Please, go, agoy. Oh, sama na, CJ. Okay, mama na mag-blow, ha? Mama na mag-blow, ha? Okay. Blow na natin. You wanna blow again?
Mama, mine is not working.
You have to add more.
I know. I need Dada. Dada, help!
Uy!
Can you help me? Give it in your mouth. I need more. Mama made us start. Yeah.
Okay.
You can put more.
Ay, hala.
My mom?
Mali man.
Mama?
Sit down. I want you to sit down. Come on. Ay, hala ka, Dudong. Ay, hindi talaga to kay CJ, oh. Ah, wala na. Oops! Wala na, mga kaibigan. Come here, si Goy. I help you. Oh, Daddy got it? Okay, Dada got it?
Try. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
It is so far.
Ano kasi to ititigas to kapag hindi. Itago ko muna ito. Kay ito, oh, tingnan mo. It doesn't work, Goy?
No.
Oh, come here. Maybe it dried up.
Yeah.
Come here, Goy.
Very
Na-dry na siguro yung kay Agoy. Halika, ako na mag-ano.
I want to do.
Be,
Yeah, that's
you
okay.
have to do it. Ay,
Mommy, boy.
na-dry na to. Baguhan natin. Okay, CJ, andito na naman. Andito na naman ang ano.
It's serious. I want blue now.
We have to finish this before it's gonna, si masira.
Hey.
I don't think so. You're gonna have a lot of colors. I know you like colors, but tapusin muna natin to, okay?
Okay.
Okay? We can have another colors, but we have to finish this first.
Is it bad? CJ! He's trying to do his!
Maliit lang kasi itong
Stop.
itong kanyang
Stop.
paste.
Yeah, paste.
O, paki-close. Please close.
Okay.
Bakit kaya itong kaya agoy-agoy ganito? Pangit yung yellow, ha? Nabubutas agad yung agoy-agoy.
Yay! Mama, this is hard to close it.
Okay, that's yours.
Mama, Mama,
Okay,
Mama,
okay. CJ's
Mama.
next. Okay.
Mama, Mama,
Ayun na siya.
Mama!
Okay, kaibigan.
Mama!
Okay, honey. Oh, sige.
Mama.
Okay. Saan yung cup? Wala silang ginagawa, kundi magpaano. What happened?
Nine.
Okay.
I have blue. It's just salt because it already melts. And I have blue or red.
Bigyan mo muna natin si CJ.
No.
Medyo din, iba yung sa atin noon, no? Kasi nga lumaki pa. Tapon mo muna yan. Sapon mo. Sit down. Kasi ito mga kaibigan, masyadong tricky to. Pero kailangan talaga marami ang ilagay. Ikaw, CJ, wag mo namang, upo. Sit down. Upo.
Mommy, where is that?
Ang kulit ng mga kasama natin. Tumatawa lang si Don Julio.
Wait a minute. Mama. It's almost like this. Mine.
Ito, maliit ito.
Ew. That's
Please, sit down. That's how you do it, honey.
Oh, okay.
That's how you do the balloon, okay? The plastic. Huwag mo tusukin.
I want my straw was that blue.
Saan yung cup?
Mine.
Takla, GJ. Sagla. Like that, oh. Huwag mo. Ganyan. Sige. Huwag mo hawakan doon. Huwag mong... What na?
He popped it.
Hip-hop. Iso ka. Baby, give mama. Dumikit. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
No more. Dumikit. Hindi to pwede kay CJ kasi hindi siya marunong pa. Si agoy-agoy lang muna.
I want blue.
Agoy-agoy. Oh, I know. Yeah. See, okay? Ikaw ang susunod. You want some more red? Tapusin muna natin to, okay? Kasi pag hindi natin to tapusin,
Okay. I'll do
sit
it.
down dito. Huwag ka sa
That's raining.
Gusto mo matulog?
No.
Okay, ayusin mo natin to. Hello sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan. Magandang umaga, gabi at tanghali. Ayan po, first time nila ito. So, i-introduce natin to sa kanila dahil ito yung ating kinagis na nung maliit pa tayo. So far, si Agoy-Agoy, naintindihan niya. Si CJ, ayan. Kailangan pa niya ng practice. Can you hawak this one for me? Ito, hawak ang stick. The stick. Hawakan mo ang stick. Kasi, malaki ito. Ay! Uy, nasira ang atang ano.
Black.
Nasira siya. napunta dito. Ah, okay lang. Itapon na natin to. Tapos
Now we have the blue. It's this blue.
maliit din, maliit. Di ba sa atin, oh, napakalaki ito. Yung lalagyan niya, no? Ayan. Pero pareho lang siya. Ano din. Yeah. Ito, siguro malaki na to. Ganyan yan, di ba? Doon ka-i-enjoy talaga.
I want the red one.
Okay. Enjoy talaga yung tayo noon.
Can I blow it?
Wanna blow it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sige, keep doing. Keep doing. Sige, good job. Yeah, keep going. You want it? Okay. Ako baka ba.
Quickly! Oh my God, it's good. Wow. Later. There's come on mouse.
Babe. Look, babe. Dada.
What? Wait a second. What's your... What? Oh, yeah. Wow. Big.
So ngayon, di ba, ginaganito natin, oh. Para lumaki, di ba, ginagano natin. Ayan.
What's that for?
That's how you play. That's how you play. You can, okay, you want to do it? Okay. Like that. Like that.
Boom. Pop.
You suck it. You suck the, ano. Oh, you can create, oh, that's good. You can create some bubbles. Ah. You do that. Don't blow it. Just like, you suck and you create a circle. Ayan, oh.
Let me do it.
Sige. Like what you did here, like this. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. You did that. Like takla ba? Like that. Like that. Sige. Practice ba si Krishana? Sige. Tapos maganda. Hindi kasi ito nilalaro ng mga ano dito. Iba yung laro nila dito. Yung mga kabata. Bulilits dito. Oh. You don't have to lose air because if you're gonna lose air, then you're gonna pop it. Doon na sa dito. Sige. Oh, nice! Maliit lang gagawin yung nga ba? Yung ganito. Ganon. So when you like that, then you can blow air inside. So it's gonna get bigger.
I don't want to do it. You do it, okay, Mama?
Okay. Go on this side. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You have fun? Nice. This is the one that when we play on our childhood days.
Over little?
Yeah.
I think it. Little.
That's good. Pero naglalaro ako dito mga high school na. Mga first year. Kasi sa amin wala man. Merong ganito kaso tag 1 piso. Binibili na lang namin ng candy. Hindi ganito. Pero yung mga kaklase namin yung elementary, ganon lang din kami. Nakikitakla ba sa Bisaya pa? Nakitakla. Nakiganon na lang. Nice. Tapos pinapaliit-liit namin. This really brings memories. So, ayan si Agoy-Agoy. Did you understand, Agoy?
Yeah.
Nice. You can make Oh, di ba ang ganda. Oh, sige.
I did it!
That's good. That's how you do it. It's nice sound. So you're not gonna lose. You have to seal. I-close mo talaga kasi nga.
For pop.
Yeah. Iniwan ko lang itong straw kay Kapag mawala ng hangin, at least mabilis dito. Okay. You do that. Like that. Nope. I save it. May butas. Oh,
I did it.
good job.
It didn't.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Nice. Cute. Oh, nakakatuwa. Oh, yun. Nakakatuwa siya. Ako lang kayo gano'n. Na-enjoy siya. Yan yung importante. Ma-enjoy siya. Diba, guy? At first, parang ano pa siya kasi hindi pa niya alam. Gusto-gusto niya gawin.
The air is coming out.
Okay. See? Did you see that? It lose air, so... Parang may butas sa mo.
Ah! Butas!
Oh, it's here. You can blow air on the, ano to, sa butas. Nice. Pero si CJ, naglalaro na siya dun mga kaibigan, at least ba, hindi niya pinupunit.
I make a bubble!
Nice!
Beautiful one.
Beautiful. That's the biggest one. Yan yung malaki, Goy. You wanna do it? You wanna do this?
No.
Tulungan ko lang muna siya. She's not confident pa. Wow, good job.
Kapag.
Parang may butas, Goy. Hanapin natin yung
The
butas.
butas right here.
Asan?
Right there.
Asan ang butas?
Right there.
Wait, ramdamin mo. Hindi.
The butas is coming out here.
Wala man siya ang butas. Goy, hindi ko na-feel ang butas. I-close mo, i-sealed mo. Diyan? Okay.
It's I saw a hole, Mama. Mama!
Naglalaro na. Na-enjoy ako.
Hey.
Sige.
I make a bubble.
Magandang ano ito, banding.
Mama!
Sa mga bulilit.
Mama, you open like this. Oh.
Sige. Parang may butas.
Butas!
Butas! Ay! Malaki.
Eh,
Malaki ang nabutas mo, ha?
blow it!
I did.
No, you don't. This thing.
Okay lang, unti-unti, oh. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Magandang umaga, gabi, tanghali. Ayan mga kaibigan. Mayroon po tayong
An activity!
laruan, activity ni Agoy.
Why are you doing that?
Okay, tanggalin na natin, ha?
Why?
Okay, mag-ano si mama. Oh, ikaw, hawakan mo ng ganito. Kasi parang alam mo na. So, let me know kung mag-hiyos. Ito, stick. Ano mo natin to. Kasi... Oops. Kasi
Put
mayroon
it down here.
Yeah, you can do that.
Ah! Is
Pwede
it
ganyan.
blue that's getting?
Okay, tatapusin natin to kay sayang. Kung pwede pa. O, ayan, na-enjoy na siya. Si CJ, ay umalis na.
Boing.
Mayroon na siyang sariling,
Boing.
ano, ginagawa ngayon.
Boing. Boing. Boing.
Uy, maganda ito siya, oh. Magandang, relaxing ba? Relaxing moment. Ayan, si Agoy na, natutuwa naman. Uy, parang dry na to, oh. Pero sige lang, subukan natin. Sus, nung kabataan natin, mga kaibigan, kami noon, kasi nga, kung may meron kami tag-isang piso, hindi namin binibili.
It's running air.
It's where? No, it's not.
Okay.
I didn't see
Can you
it.
play with me?
Sure. I'm just gonna do this.
What's yours?
Sit down.
And like mine
Sit
is
down, Dita.
beautiful. Thanks for making mine. Mine is almost running air. Mine is almost running air. Oh!
Wala man. Hanapin mo yung butas kung mayroon. Ramdamin mo, go. You can feel the air outside going out.
I did it!
Good job.
I got the air.
Okay, good. So kami noon, nakipaglaro lang din kami. Ay, ayan. Nandito ang butas, oh. Kasi pag ganito,
My butas is airing out.
hanapin mo yung butas.
The butas
May
come
butas.
right here.
Dito, dito.
Yeah.
Dito pwedeng magsabay kasi nga
It's airing down. I feel it and it's getting low.
Oh, mahirap siya. Be? May butas nga kay Cristiano. May hangin yan. Ala, goy, umulay. Goy, ito na. May hangin siya, pero hindi ko alam saan yung ano niya. Ay, dumikit na. Ay, wala.
Wala for Mama. Oh no. Oh no.
Dito banda, oh. Ayan.
I feel there. There's low. Serious. Look, Mama's going low.
Ito, malaking butas. Okay na to, ah. Sige, ito, here's yours, your new one. Okay, hanapin natin ang problema nito. Ay, andito lang pala, oh.
CJ!
Yan.
Look, a new balloon. For me. Oh, I pop it. Bye-bye. Balloon. My balloon popped.
Okay, that's okay.
Here, I'll make another one.
We gotta finish this one.
For a pop!
Sabi ni CJ, ang tagal nyo dyan, ah.
CJ!
Natutuyo na siya.
Balloons.
So, pwede pa.
Come on. Super Sissy. CJ, no! Here! Super Sissy. Let's use the leg. Sit this way. Sit, go. Here you go. Hey. Look. There you come.
Just look, CJ, okay?
No. Come
Ay, wala na yan, dong. Wala na yan. That's done. Wala na. I-keep natin to kay
We're
Mark.
gonna pop the
Meron pa tayo. Wala na yan, no? Nak. I-keep natin to kasi meron pa sila, iba't ibang kulay. So, ayan. O, tonto. Ay, ay, ay! Pag makuha ni Don Julio, wala na.
No.
Na. Sige. Okay, so Yes, honey. Ito, tapusin natin to. Ni ito. Ang gusto niya, yes daw, yes. Tapusin lang natin kay. Ka lang, mama lang.
Oh, it's not the balloon, it's the bubble.
Okay. Ayan, tapusin lang natin.
Papu. Mama, Papu.
Ang hirap rin itong ano eh. Ang liit ng butas niya. Tuwan-tuwa si Agoy-Agoy, o, diba? Ayan. case na gustong-gusto pala nila, so magbili ulit tayo ng yung malaking tube. Kasi yung maliit na tube.
My hand.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm Hickey. Hello, Mama.
Okay, that's good, Goy. Nice.
Mommy, my balloon is already.
Okay, go, John. Ito na.
My balloon is already popped.
Okay. Ay,
Mama,
ano saman?
back.
You wanna go on the back? Sakay?
It's my yellow, Mama. That's so new. Mama, no, Mama.
Bukungon ka sa okay.
Mama.
I want you to sit down. Goy. Maya na, Goy. Kaya hindi, ongoing pa. Sit down, hala. CJ, nobody. Okay, go sit down. Sit down, please. Come on. Okay, wait.
That's my balloon. Mama, make see another balloon. All right?
Okay, all of us gonna do that. No touching, please. No touching. Just, okay. No.
CJ!
Sige lang. Oh, that's okay, honey. Sige lang. He's still a baby. Goy. Traffic.
Opa! Mama, Opa! Coffee.
Okay,
Mama!
Nagagawa na silang dalawa.
Mama!
Ganyan.
Opa!
Ayun na, right on the back. O, sige. Right on the back. Okay, done. Okay, sige, Goy. Do. Gawin mo yung gawa ko. O, sige. Ganyan talaga yan. Excuse me. Okay. Magsakay-sakay na sa likod. Okay, sige. Okay. O, sige mga kaibigan, babay na kami kay magsakay-sakay. Sakay muna siya. Favorite niya yung kabayo. Sakay, right? Tubig, you want cookie?
I run out of air.
Ay, okay lang, sige lang. Okay lang, maputok na yan. Pop. Cookie daw muna.
Cookies.
Yan. Oops.
I want cookies. No.
Which one going? Excuse me, kuha tayo ng plato. Lagay mo din.
Go down with the pot though. Go.
Okay. Anong
Just one chocolate chip.
Okay.
2 chocolate.
Isa-isa lang. Isa-isa, okay?
I want to finish the
When you finish that, then you can get some more, okay?
That's mine, okay?
Alright. O sige mga kaibigan, babay na. Nakakatuwa naman itong dalawa, eh. Ano man? Okay, dalhin natin si CJ sa kanyang upuan. Oh. Okay. Oops. Chup. Hawak kay... Oops. Siya maningan. Hindi man maghawak. Siya managay.
Mama, Mama!
O, sige mga kaibigan, ingat. Ayun si CJ, kain muna siya.
Hello!
Ano lang kami, having fun. Having fun lang muna.
Remote!
Make Minnie Mouse. O, ano nung isa? O, wala na yung isa. Andoon. Oh, enjoy sila. Pagkatapos nilang mag-play, cookie. After playing cookie. Oh, it's cookie time.
I forgot to play it.
Cookie time.
Let's go!
Water CJ.
Give this a car cup.
Ano,
Give
guys?
this a car cup.
Okay. Be.
It's a car cup.
Asan mo mong cup?
Right
Ito.
there. It's a car
Ow!
cup.
Okay. Sige na. Ah, may tubig pala to.
Fine. Yeah.
May tubig pala. May tubig pala. Nakatuwa naman to si Agoy-Agoy. Ah, si CJ andito sa kabilang sulok. Si CJ. Good. Wow! Gawa ni CJ. Meron siyang ginawang mga arts. Ah, nice.
How? Mama.
Nice, a garden.
Mama.
Thank you, CJ.
Mama.
Very nice. Thank you very much.
Mama.
Flowers. Flowers. You made that?
Mama.
Ginawa mo yung flowers?
Mama.
Yeah, flower. Flower. Flowers.
Mama.
Nice. Another flowers. Oh, andito yung chalk mo. Tuwa. Thank you, CJ. Thank you, CJ, sa gawa mong art. Ang ganda. Very nice.
Mommy, I took the chocolate now.
Ha?
I took all the chocolate. Kasi iyaw.
Okay. Ayaw din ni CJ ng ano. Tago natin tong art ni CJ dito sa... O, ilagay natin yan dito. Yung isa.
I wanna go outside.
Let's say CJ. Okay. Enjoy lang. Hello. Ayan siya. Hello, Ma'am Annalyn. Ma'am Celsa. Oh, Chuck. Auto train. Wow. Hello, Lynn Ari. Hello. Sa inyo sa Pampanga. Truck. Ilang wheels sa truck? Ma'am Sharon Tanpiuco. Thank you. Febe Polinar. Hello, Inday. Ma'am Nanay Myrna sa Rojas Oriental Mindoro.
Mommy, we didn't use these. You're supposed to use
Hello, Ma'am Idna Nohara. Hello, si Jenna Goyagoy. Si hi, Goy.
Hi.
Hi, Ma'am Cheryl Civiliano from California. Ma'am Sharon Tanpiaco. More water? Hello, Ismer de la Serna. Hello, Ismer de la Serna. Hi po. Ayan, ano na sila. Nag-snack na sila. Playtime kay ano naman, tapos naman ang kanilang activity. Merienda muna ng cookie.
Mom, we still have the pizza?
Well, inubos mo na.
No.
Inubos mo na kanina sa lunch.
Oh, we still have it.
Sige mga kaibigan, ingat po kayo. Magandang araw. Thank you very much.